How to use is as a conjunction sentence opener. Keep watching to see some sentence examples. As he was leaving is a dependent clause, as it is reliant on the next part of the sentence, which is a main clause. He remembered that he had to walk his dog. This is the main clause and the dependent clause is reliant on this in order for it to make sense. As he was leaving, he remembered that he had to walk his dog. Follow and like for more videos like this.
Here are some activity ideas. Loads of pronouns in this sentence. Did you know you could do this? Students writing. Follow and like. Right. And a noun. What is an expanded noun?